Hey, Lonnie's Hot Rod here, Lonnie speaking. We're working on our Sema space. We're getting it up here, getting ready for Sema 2020 for Helleanor. So let's go out in the shop and see what's going on. You know, what kind of progress we're getting done today. Come on and follow me. We'll head that way. So this is Gus's frame. This is the S10 frame. You know, we've lengthened it. We added the code 504. There's a bunch of parts going on. There's a whole table there of bearings and brake pieces, and you can see the brake lines are getting bent. So this one's moving along. Follow me. We'll go check out the seat. I think it's getting made right over here. So here's the seat for Gus. We got buffalo head nickels for buttons. We've done this tufted diamond pleat. Picked the leather cover to match the color of Gus's exterior, which in turn is rust. But anyhow, the seat's looking real good. It's coming together. So follow me. Let's go see what else kind of progress we're making. Here's another shop project. We're doing some fender flares, ZL1 fender flares on a 71 Corvette. We've got some modifications going on the rear deck. You can see the side markers are gone. We've added a gas cap. You can see the rockets, those actually came from a C6. We're going to custom make an interior for it. Right now it's going to be 59 Corvette colors, so we'll reveal that here come shortly. Follow me. So here's Helleanor. We've got this louvered hood going in. We've raised the power dome, given a cowl effect. We're going to make a piece back here that'll finish off the rear of it, so it'll look more factory. We've made these louvers to go down the side, heat extractors, if you will. So that's coming along really good. We're still working on the front end. We're going to, you know, make this a little rounder through here. But look at our fender flares. We've got some fender flares going on the front. We're keeping the body line go through, so this will be a nice point right on with the fender flares. I've got some I've got some side pipes to do. In my mind, I'm thinking the 69 Corvette side pipes, where they kind of come in with a pipe and they have a big section in the center and then a pipe on the end. So you can see the rear flares from here. So we're moving along on Helleanor. We're going to get it ready for Sema 2020.
We have Helleanor hood. We had something with the heat extractors before. After looking at them, they were kind of a little too small and they wouldn't let a whole lot of air out. So we decided to cut that out and scrap that whole idea. And we came up with something bigger, more extravagant, that'll pull all that air and all that heat out that's going into the engine.
So in here we got a 79 Camaro that's gotten a flat black or murdered out look. It's going to have some black wheels. We've got the wing to paint still, but the hood, we did a cowl hood on it. All the Z28 badging will go back on and everything will be blacked out. So this should be fun to watch.
I just heard my radio go off and I was like, what is going on?
So what are you guys doing?
Making side pipes. Side pipe cover. We got a lot of pipe to turn. We got to get it down to that small. Been making pieces. So now I've got one the size I want to turn. And 16 gauge, so it doesn't want to bend. So we got to do little increments until we get it nice and tight. Go ahead and turn that wheel now. We've got a little bit for your research here. Way to go. time we do it, it takes on a round shape. Hey, this is Lonnie Hot Rod Shop. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can see further updates on Gus with its ranch style cowboy seat going on, with its gaucho nickels, and you can see the pleated leather. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Lonnie's Hot Rod Shop on YouTube TV.